So all Verilog modules start with the word module. Do y'all have this one? Okay. And then you can call it whatever you want. So I will call this very creatively module problem _6. That's creative. Okay. Then you open parentheses and you put the variable names for all the inputs and outputs. If you are using something inside the Verilog, but it's not an input or an output, you don't put it here. These are only inputs and outputs. In this particular problem, I'm not going to use any wires. I mean, I could define an intermediate right here, but there's no reason to, because it's just as easy to do with, just Boolean algebra. So we have A, comma B, comma C, comma F. And it's not important at this point what order I put them in. But if I call this module from another module, so once I have this written, if for some bizarre reason I wanted to use this exact thing somewhere else and didn't want to rewrite it, I'd have to make sure that when I call that, this A is the thing, whatever I put here in my new program matches up with what I want to go into this OR gate. And the B has to be the other thing, and the C has to be the other thing. So once I put them here, they're set. But it doesn't matter where I put them when I start off. Okay, then I say what my inputs are, and my inputs are A, comma B, comma C, and semicolon at the end of the line. And then our output is F. And we don't have an always block, so we don't have anything we need to define as reg. If you have an always block, then you need to define it as reg. If you are changing something inside an always block, you have to define it as reg. But here we're not. Here we can use a simple assign statement. We just look at what F is, and so we can just say assign F equals open parentheses. So F is the AND of the NOT of the OR of A and B. So that's one of the inputs into F, and the other input into F is the AND of B and C. So we have the NOT, that's a tilde, of A or B, so that vertical line is the OR. So that's the NOT is right here. Here's our OR, and then it is an AND gate. So then we have an AND, which I cannot draw, and it's the AND of B and C. So I'm going to put B, and that's supposed to be an AND C. Close parentheses. Oh, I missed a close parentheses. Parentheses can be, y'all probably know from calculators, and y'all have had to take computer science, right? Yeah, parentheses, they're a nightmare. Okay, yeah, I missed a parentheses right here. Including the NOT in there. And then a semicolon. And that's it for this one, so now I can end the module.